This is a General Electric F11-4W reversible automatic box fan from 1956. And I took this apart because the motor was sticking and never could figure out how to get this out of here. It was driving me nuts, and it's just been sitting on my bench for the last couple of months. And people I talked to fooled with antique fans, nobody had a clue, you know, how to get the motor apart to oil it, because it's kind of gummed up. There's the faceplate, in, out, off, low, medium, high, and of course the thermostat. But anyhow, so I've just been kind of aggravated because it's been sitting here, and I would have liked to have it back together and using it and out of my way by now. And I'm just going around YouTube, and somebody, some kind soul, posted a video of how you oil these things. Well, I don't know if you can see here a little bit of damage I did. I thought maybe this plate, this was just like a top plate that pried out. Obviously, this is actually several thin pieces of metal. And see, for me prying on them, I mean, I'm going to have to try to flatten these back out and put that back in there, I guess. But anyhow, tell me if this isn't... I've seen General Electric do some stupid crap with radios and televisions, or some oddball, interesting stuff. This is actually a plate, a thin aluminum plate that's pressed in. There's no way to get behind here to pop it out, because I don't think we'll be able to really see in here, but well, there's no way to get in behind it. So what the guy said, how you get it off is I'm going to have to drill a hole in the plate, kind of like if I was removing a freeze plug out of an engine block. So at least now I'll be able to continue on with doing something with this old fan, because I'm going to probably repaint the grill. I might just leave the body as it is. There's a little surface rust on the bottom, but I may repaint the whole thing, who knows. But right now, I really just want to get the sucker working again, instead of laying in pieces, taking up all kind of, you know, space back here. And you can see it says automatic reversible. But this is the only old fan I've ever had, and I went through a bunch of modern cheap box fans rebuilding this house, and out of the several different types, from the plastic Lasco pieces of crap that are about $9 new, all the way to, you know, metal fans that they sell in Home Depot. You know, I went through, I probably had about 8, 9 fans at one time, and you figure 7 years later there's only about 3 still left that are running. They're just, you know, plastic blades fall apart, just crap. But well, we'll see what happens. I guess I'm going to drill a hole in the edge and pop her out like a freeze plug.